In this video, I will discuss about nested classes. So what is a nested class? A class inside a class is called as a nested class. I will try to define two different classes, class outer and class inner. Okay. So these are the two different classes, class outer and class inner. So class inner is within the outer class. Now I try to create an object. Assume that I have two different variables, int x and int y. So there are two different variables, int x and int y. So now in public static void main, I try to create an object of the outer class. So how to access the variables that are there in the inner class? So directly we cannot access the variables of the inner class. So we need to create an object of the outer class. So how to create an object of the outer class? So outer O is equal to new outer. So this is the first step. We are trying to create an object of the outer class. So after creating the object of the outer class, now we need to create the object of the inner class. So how to create object of the inner class? Inner is equal to O dot new, and now we need to specify the outer dot inner. So like this we have to create an object of the inner class. So this should be outer dot inner. Okay. So in this way I created an object of the inner class. Now how to access the variables? So if I assign O dot x is 10 and int dot y is equal to 20. So now I make use of system dot out dot println. So here I will say O dot x, system dot out dot println in dot y. So now I need to save this and run this. Okay. So 10 and 20 are printed over here. So in this way I am able to access the variables that are present in the inner class. So after that what I will do is I will try to access a method. Suppose say if I create a method here, public static show. You can say it's only I will try to create a show method. So inside show method, I want to call this particular show method. So how to call this particular show method here? So I will try to access this by using the inner object. So inner dot in dot show. So now I can access the show method that is present in the inner class now. So the show method is printed inside the show. So this is how we can access the outer and inner methods. Now if I make this as a static, we can access without creating an object of the outer class. So I created the object of the outer class here and I accessed by using the object of the outer class. Now if I make this as a static, no need of creating this object here, no need of creating the object of the outer class. So directly we can access. So how to do this? New outer dot inner. So now directly you can access if it is static. So here it is getting printed. So this is about inner classes. In the upcoming videos, we'll try to discuss about packages and other things.